What's up, guys? Chevy out right here, back with a little update video for you guys. So I made a video yesterday when I was at work, when I was sitting up actually at the truck stop, and I told you guys some fairly, pretty decent good stuff. Here it is now. It's Friday now, so it's next day after that video. I posted today, but it's next day now. Now it's Friday afternoon, August 30th, I think, 31st, whatever. I don't know. Anyways, I got some new stuff in for you guys. Well, for me, for the trucks. We're gonna talk lighting now, okay? We're gonna go outside and talk lighting, okay? So let me get outside and show you what I mean as far as lighting, okay? So you guys know I got the 04 Suburban, I got the 97 Silverado, okay? We're gonna talk lighting and compare the two, okay? So I'm cutting my lights on the Suburban and I'm cutting my lights on the Silverado, okay? You can't see them, like you can't see them just yet. No. I already told you guys yesterday what it was. I already did. It kind of sucks, but still. We're gonna try to figure this out, okay? So, as you can see, Silverado has auxbeam 9000. I think they're 5s or 6, whatever the low beam lights are. The bottom lights are halogen lights, regular lights. On the Suburban, we got regular halogen lights up front, all halogen. Okay, we're gonna fix that. We're gonna swap out the low beams and the high beams in this one, and the high beams in this one. So I got the aux beams in this one about 5 months ago, maybe, and they've been really good. Actually, they've opened up a lot of lighting for the truck. I can see a whole lot more at night now. These are, like I said, stock lights. They're still stock. I had a problem with this light right here. It was shorting out. It was a bad wire. I had to go ahead and crimp it, cut it, make it work. So it's cool. The fog lights on the bottom, when I bought the truck, both of them were pretty much bad. So I bought some new ones for it last year, and for some reason they're not cutting on. So I'm thinking that the bulbs and those went bad. So I'm gonna order a whole new housing for both of them, and I'm gonna order a new lower valence for actually a 05 Suburban because it sits a little bit lower. Okay. On the Silverado, we're gonna go all LED all around. So those are those LED from auxbeam. I love them, and these are regular, lights. So we go to the back of the truck, walk to the back, and we got the LED lights in the Suburban, and they're also in the reverse lights, if you can see them. Yeah. So this one on the Silverado, we also got LEDs in that one, and we're going to be swapping out all of these pretty soon. So all the stop and turn signal and the reverse lights also on these, and then we're going to do the same thing with these also pretty soon. Okay, so let's go in the house, and I'm going to show you guys what I got in from Amazon today. Cut the lights off, and I'll bring back in a second. This is what we got. So we got 9006 for the Suburban, that's a low beam, and we got 9005 and 9005. We're gonna put all of these in. I'll probably do the low beams in the Suburban tonight, and so they look. There's a cat. Hey, kitty cat. He's going for the Amazon package. And then I'll probably do the high beams in the Silverado probably tomorrow. Reason being is because it's easier to get the high beams out of the Suburban than it is the Silverado. Well, it actually really isn't. It's the same process for both of them pretty much. So yeah, I'm gonna swap these out. I'm not gonna film me doing it because I'm kind of busy with other stuff right now, running around the house. I gotta fix my washing machine and other stuff. So I'm gonna get everything put in, hopefully tonight, hopefully now, and then I'll show you the after effect. But everything should be in. So I'll catch you guys in a minute. Peace. All right, guys. I got the headlight and the low beam in. I had to pull off this whole little bracket that this thing sits in to get the lights in, but they went in though. So that's the low beams. I got my Silverado on because I need some light to see, because now it's nighttime. So those are the low beams. Oh, let me show you like this. Wait a minute. So LED, and then a regular light. I'm gonna show you the high beams. It's a high beam in this one. Where's it at? There we go. So high beam. You really can't tell the difference in them. Like, they look like actual regular headlights actually. That's that Silverado. I gotta put the high beams in this one. Put them in here, and that's gonna be it. I'm done. All right. Okay, this is what I meant. So you gotta pull this off. In case you guys are wondering, you gotta pull this off to get the lights in, and it goes back on fairly good. It doesn't interfere anything. It doesn't. I haven't screwed it in yet, but it actually went in pretty good. So I'm swapping these out, but I want to kind of keep these because they kind of already adjusted. They're still stock. So yeah, but getting these in right now. I'm gonna do these, the bottom ones, later date when I order all of them for both the trucks, front and rear on both of them. I got my headlights on still for some light because there's no light in my house right here. Ain't got no light up here, but almost done. So on the left now is just to put these in, but I might put them in later on. I'm gonna pick up my daughter right quick. So yeah, auxbeam. These are these are the S series 9005 for the high beams, and this is the, I think this is the F16 series. Yeah, F16 series for the low beams, and they're pretty bright. Man, my neighbors already asked me about why I have my lights on for this one. They were shooting across the street. So yeah. All right, y'all. Peace out. That's all I have for today. I'm gonna finish up this. I'm gonna pick up my daughter, and I'll catch you guys later. All right, guys. I just finished up my headlight swap with the LEDs, and I can't cut on them just yet, but I will in a second. I pull out my driveway. So, oh shit. There you go. Low beam, high beam. There's not really a big difference on them. There really isn't. But I like them better than the HIDs that everybody gets. Mine don't flicker. Everything on them straight. So yeah, this the end result of them. My neighbor already told me, hey, your lights are bright as hell. I'm like, yeah, I know. So they're pretty good. All right, you guys.